A new threat is emerging over Australia's most critical infrastructure. Unauthorized drones and other aerial intrusions are becoming increasingly accessible, difficult to detect, and potentially devastating in their consequences. Chemical plants, fuel depots, pipelines, power stations, nuclear reactors, water treatment facilities. These highly sensitive sites are essential to the functioning of modern society. An attack, intrusion, or deliberate act of sabotage against any of them could cause catastrophic economic disruption, environmental contamination, and serious risks to public safety. International Action Alliance, or IAA, has traditionally focused on environmental protection, contamination assessment, and land rehabilitation in areas affected by war and disasters. Today, IAA is planning to expand its operations to include a new strategic mission, protecting the environment surrounding critical infrastructure in Australia from the growing threat of aerial intrusion. This mission recognizes a simple reality. Protecting the environment does not begin after a disaster. It begins with preventing the disaster from happening. To address this challenge, IAA is partnering with Karen, a Ukrainian technology company that has developed advanced perimeter security systems under some of the most demanding real-world conditions imaginable. Built and refined during wartime operations in Ukraine, Karen's systems combine autonomous ground robotics, intelligent surveillance, and aerial interception technologies to detect, track, and neutralize airborne threats before they reach protected sites. Unlike conventional security systems, Karen's platform provides dynamic, layered defense. Autonomous robotic units continuously patrol facility perimeters, adapting routes to reduce vulnerabilities and eliminate predictable security patterns. Integrated aerial systems provide round-the-clock airspace monitoring and rapid response interception capability. This technology does not replace existing security infrastructure. It strengthens it. Security personnel, surveillance systems, and access control remain fully operational, while advanced robotic protection adds a powerful new defensive layer against modern threats. Together, IAA and Karen aim to bring world-class Ukrainian perimeter security technology to Australia. Our goal is to help industry, government, and infrastructure operators reduce risk, improve resilience, and protect both communities and the environment. Because when critical infrastructure is protected, so too are the ecosystems, resources, and people that depend on it. The future of environmental protection includes perimeter security, and that future begins now.